Deep cleaning your home is more than just a quick tidy up. It's about tackling those hidden spots where dirt and dust love to hide. This not only improves the look of your space, but also boosts your health. Let's dive into what deep cleaning really means and why it's so important. We'll also explore how eco-friendly solutions can make it safe and effective. Most deep cleaning starts in the kitchen, where grease and bacteria can build up. Wipe down cabinets, scrub behind appliances, and clean that oven and stovetop. Using natural cleaners like baking soda and vinegar cuts through grease without harsh chemicals. Now, let's talk about bathrooms, another area that needs a good deep clean. Soap scum and mold often lurk in grout lines and shower corners. Plant-based cleaners can brighten tiles and disinfect high-touch areas like faucets. Regular deep cleaning here not only makes it shine, but also reduces germs. Don't forget about your floors and furniture. They need love too. Carpets trap dust and allergens that a quick vacuum just won't get rid of. A deep clean means shampooing carpets and mopping hard floors thoroughly. And don't skip moving furniture to clean underneath. Upholstery can be refreshed with eco-friendly sprays or steam. One of the best parts of using eco-friendly solutions is peace of mind. Many store-bought products have strong fumes and harmful chemicals. Natural alternatives like lemon and vinegar clean effectively and smell fresh. These options are safer for kids, pets, and anyone with allergies. Deep cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just take it one room at a time. With safe, eco-friendly products, you can create a healthier living space. The result? A home that looks great and feels welcoming for everyone.